Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair has remained as is in the last session. The MACD remains in positive territory. Bitcoin has fallen 14.1% in the last three sessions. The RSI has gradually receded into the negative area. The price of gold has remained muted in the last session. The MACD remains in negative territory. The price of crude oil has remained as is in the last session. The RSI remains in the negative zone.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Much of the oil world agrees that global markets could use some more barrels, and the big question is whether OPEC Plus will provide enough of them. Bank of England chief economist Andy Haldane warned that an inflationary tiger had woken up and could prove difficult to tame as the economy recovers, potentially requiring the BOE to take action. The BOJ remained calm, even as its benchmark yield surged to within a couple basis points of the perceived limit of the central bank, which may trigger a response in the near future.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Japan's jobs applicants ratio will be released at 23:30 GMT. The UK's market manufacturing PMI at 9:30 GMT. Germany's harmonized index of consumer prices at 1300 GMT. The U.S. market manufacturing PMI will be released at 1445 GMT. The U.S. ISM manufacturing PMI at 1500 GMT, the French industrial output at 745 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.